I'm reliving the days of your touch, the sweet mornings after a wild nights in the club. There were not many of those, yet I cherish it like there were many. Wild twin flame love, like a thunder and earthquake, all in one. A rude invitation to awaken after years of trauma dragging us through the mud. We had to meet to release the chains of our deeply ingrained pain. And all I got left of you now is memories and psychic visions. Yet you will always be the one who woke me up from a deep amnesia to finally meet the authenticity of my soul.